Look at the view. It's super nice. Ganda, ganda. Parang ako lang maganda. Dito guys. Ang ganda dito sa Sipalay City. Para siyang Palawan actually guys. Good morning guys. This is my view for today. O, diba ang bongga? Nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Sipalay City.
Kada first half na bala, robot na ko da. Lima pa
ang bongga.
May price yan, ibutang ko kay man.
Ito yung ganda ng place nila, o diba? Tingnan nyo. Ito yung Natasan. Punta tayo sa pool ngayon guys. Let's go to the pool! O diba ang bongga ng pool nila? Nakikita nyo ba yon? Diyan kami nag-swimming kagabi guys. Look at that. Napaka-clear. Tsaka ito yung mga ano nila guys. As you can see, yan. O diba ang bongga? Oh. Baby. Hi guys. We are here at Natasan. Sobrang ganda ng place na to guys. Recommended talaga siya. Actually guys, ano siya, trending siya sa TikTok. At the same time sa Facebook. Kaya pala siya trending guys kasi sobrang ganda naman talaga. Ha? Okay. So, itong place na to, pumunta kayo dito guys. Malapit lang siya sa ano guys, sa proper city of Sipalay. This is located on Sipalay City. So it's just like 4 to 6 hours away from Bacolod City. So Bacolod City is the capital of Negros Occidental, as you can see. And there are so many cities that includes here in. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Princess Reina. So guys, we are here at Natasan Resort. So this one guys is a great resort. At the same time, napakaganda ng place na to. So guys, please like and subscribe to my channel, Princess Reina. And please share this video to your friends. Samahan nyo ako guys. Let's tour the whole resort. Come on, let's go! We are here at Nataasan Resort. I love Nataasan Resort. So this is the pool guys. So diba ang bongga? Swimming pa more. And this one is the villa. We stay in this place. It's so nice. Very relaxing. At the same time, the place is so great. Look at this. This is Nataasan Resort. So guys, samahan nyo ako. We're going to tour on this place. Baby? Yeah? So this is the pool of Nataasan. And this is the villa. This is where we stay last night. Actually, we stay here for 2 days. The first day would be there. The second day would be here. Okay, let's go. I will tour you to the room, guys. Let's go. Come on. O, diba ang ganda ng place, guys? Oh, super serene. Look at that. Nataasan Resort. So now let's go to the room, guys. So guys, come here. Let's go. Samahan nyo ako. Let's go to the room. Come on. This is room tour, guys. It's a room. Come on, let's go. Let's go to my room. Actually, ito yung bedroom nila, guys. So, ang maganda dito, guys, this is 2 beds already. Come. As you can see, meron na siyang 2 beds. Tapos, ito yung may pa-heart-heart pa sila, guys. Tapos, ang ganda dito, guys. So, it has a 2 beds already, as you can see. O, diba, ang bongga ng place na to, guys. Meron na siyang AC or air conditioning. Tapos, they have also, this is the toilet and bath. Come on. Samahan niyo akong, and this are the shower. This is the shower. It has a hot water and cold water already. Hot and cold water. Was this one. Bongga-bongga pa. Ano pa sila, guys. As you can see, this is the... Hi, ate! Hello! What's your name, ate?
Wilma.
Ate Wilma, guys. So, this is the room. Wow! How cool is that, right? So, this is 2 beds already. At the same time, diba may pa-heart-heart pa, guys? So, pak! Look at this. Oh, how sweet is that? So, meron din siyang balcony. Let me show you the balcony. Hold on. Ayaw. As you can see, ang ganda ng mga bed. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Bamboo. That is made of bamboo. Tsaka naka-air conditioning na rin siya, guys. Meron na siyang aircon. Yan, as you can see. Tapos meron na rin siya, meron din siya dito, guys, balcony. Come on, let's go. Ayan. Diba? Bongga. So, maganda siya, guys. At the same time, napaka-relaxing yung place. The toilet should have a bidet. Every time I check in the hotel, I used to check if there is bidet. O, diba? Which is there's a bidet naman. So, guys, please like and subscribe to my channel, Princess Reina. And please share this video to your friends. Thank you for the love and support. Mwah! Ang bongga. Ang laki na cabinet, guys. Tapos, meron pang there is a safety. This is a safe, guys. So, to have your things secured, all you need to do is just place it here. Right? Diba? Ang bongga. Look at this. This is made of bamboo. There's a place where you can put your... Look at that. How awesome is that? Right? Look at this big bed. Sige. Okay. Thank you, kuya. So, this is the place. Outside your room, you can see this beautiful and nice place. Ito yung view niya, guys, ng swimming pool. Pag nasa second floor kayo. Diba? Ang ganda. Look at that. It's awesome. Tapos ito yung mga villa. Hindi ko siya na picturean kanina, na videohan. But this time around, ayan, nakikita nyo naman. Malaki yung bed nila. You can bring your family here. Tapos, as you can see, there is a balcony pa. A mini balcony. Ayan. This one. So, this is our view. Supposed to be, our view should be ocean view. Ito na lang yung kinuha namin. Right, baby? Ganda. Look at that. It's amazing. Look at the view. Nataasan is the best place to stay. And at the same time, you can also... The owner also is very approachable. Actually, nahihiya lang siya kanina kasi naka-sleeping ano pa siya. Sleeping clothes. Ito po, guys, ang kanilang villa. And so look at the villa. Actually, they have an ocean view wherein that's where we stay in last few days ago. And then this one is the pool. So, guys, let's go to the swimming pool. I mean, ito na nga yung swimming pool, guys. And then, punta tayo sa viewing deck nila. Sobrang ganda ng place na to, guys. Recommended ko talaga siya sa inyo. At the same time, very affordable lang siya, guys. Imagine niyo, this kind of villa is just like only for 2,000 to 3,000 pesos. So, it's very affordable. At the same time, if you're gonna stay there, like one room, starts from 2,500 and then it goes up. It depends on how many people are you going to stay on the room. So this one, let's go now to the viewing deck. Diba? Actually, guys, ito yung pinaka-trending din sa Facebook. Ayan, na taasan viewing deck. So, ito ang pinaka gandang view. Look at that. You cannot find it in Manila. It's just only here in Natasan. So guys, pumunta na kayo dito. Tapos ilagay, I will put the link below if you wanted to check in this place. Tsaka super ganda niya talaga. Recommended ko sa inyo na pumunta kayo dito. Okay guys? So please like and subscribe to my channel, Princess Reina, and please share this video to your friends. Thank you for the love and support guys. Mwah! Chup chup. Papakilala ko kayo sa mga staff. Sila oh. Di ba bomba? Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Natasan. So, as you can see, may buffet sila. Andyan po sila ate.
Hello.
Sila po. Ano name mo po ate?
My name is Marie.
Si ate Marie.
My name is Genevieve.
Si ate. At saka si Bingkay. So sila guys yung magagandang receptionist dito sa Natasan. At saka ang bait-bait nila guys. Ito yung mga... You're welcome po. Tapos ito yung mga food na siniserve nila. Actually, ito magandang manager nila. Kumakain. Ano name niyo po?
Jan.
Si Miss Jan po. So, ayun ang view nyo guys. Oh, tingnan nyo si Miss Jan. Kumakain dito. Ang ganda ng view niya. O, diba? Look at this. Super awesome. Ang ganda ng restaurant na to guys. Oh, diba? Sobrang ganda. So guys, please like and subscribe to my channel, Princess Reina, and please share this video to your friends. Thank you.